Hola, wey, and weyas, and weyes, and all of the motherfucking above. I miss doing this so much. Like, you have no idea. I'm so glad to be back. So, my first video for this year is this look you see right here. It has been my go-to, I was about to say go-to video. My go-to look is mostly the blending. You have to blend a lot. But other than that, it's a really simple, easy to recreate look. I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay, bye way. It's been a while that I haven't used Painterly paint pot, so I'm gonna use this. Ooh, this shit is dry. Now I'm gonna set it with this cream shade from the Too Faced palette, this one right here. So how was everyone's Christmas? Your New Year's celebration? Did anybody get some new makeup for Christmas? So for this look, this is something very simple. It has lately been my obsession. You know, I've never been really the type to do the tape thing to do your makeup. But I've been trying it. I tried it for, I think it was Christmas, and I freaking loved it. And I was fucking obsessed. So, I'm gonna show you how I do this. If I can get this tape on me. This is why I skipped the concealer after my foundation. I kind of put it like on the back of my hand, that way it's not like super sticky on my face. So of course, as always, we're gonna start off with a nice transition shade. For this look, we're really gonna concentrate just like right here in this area. Keep it nice and sharp and smoky. We're gonna go into this like more orangey shade in the palette. If I can get it. Go into this one right here. And of course, after that, I'm gonna go down to like the darker ones and just smoke it out. So we're just gonna keep it like real low key, like right here. We're not gonna go too far. I'm excited for this year coming up. I have a lot of things coming up. I guess not for me personally, but for my family. Things that I'm like super devoted to and excited about. For example, my sister, the one that comes after me, is gonna be graduating this year. It makes me really sad, and it makes me feel super old, just a little bit. And also, you know what that means too. She's gonna have a prom. You know I'm gonna slay the shit out of her makeup. It's about to be lit. I loved prom. I don't get how some people skip prom. When I was in high school, I know a few people that didn't want to go to prom. Honestly, like, don't ruin, if you're like in 11th grade, don't ruin your prom by going with someone in 11th grade. Because it's just going to ruin the excitement for you. Like, you're gonna go into your prom like unimpressed, just oh, you know, like you've done it before type of shit. So it's not even gonna be exciting. You're gonna mess up the hype, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna dip into the Modern Renaissance palette and do one of these like red ochre or like Venetian red, I guess. I think this video is gonna be like my 10th video on my channel. I wanted it to be like a actual like how to do your wing liner tutorial type of shit, you know, but I don't know. I just had to get like my setup right. This is all brand new. This is in my apartment. Well, my mom's. Still live with mama. One day I'll tell you the stories. One day. Now I'm gonna add some black right here, very like keep it in one spot, like not going all over the place, with a very tiny blending brush. But yeah, maybe my next video will be a wing tutorial, because I have like a lot of friends and like people that are always asking me like, how do you do your wing? And girl, it's like everything. You have your good days and your bad days. Like, it's not always gonna come out so good. For New Year's, I did my makeup like 3 times. And I was so unhappy with it, the way it kept coming out. So I was like, you know what? Fuck it. No makeup. So I didn't even wear makeup for New Year's. It's all good. I just really love this look. It's like a really easy smoked out look. Like, not like a full blown smoky eye, but just like, you know, in the outer corner. Very sophisticated looking. But it does require a lot of blending. But really, what makeup look doesn't, you know? Alright, so once you're satisfied with the intensity of it, you can leave it like this, pop up some lashes, or, you know, just your mascara, or however you want. Or you can add a wing. Just what I'm gonna do, because I'm extra, and I'm gonna take advantage of the tape, because the tape really helps to like do a nice wing. So once you got your wings down, you can go ahead and remove the tape. Look at that. Just sharp. You just get you a wipey and clean your mess. Going with some tart shaped tape. I don't know why I just did that much. That's a lot. For bronzer, I'm going with the good old MAC Keep Me Sun. And so I've already smoked out my bottom lash and added some black eyeliner. And now I'm just going to coat my lashes with some mascara and add some falsies. God, I really love this look. It's so nice. I can literally wear this every single day. I'm really gonna hate taking this off later. Like, right after this, I'm going to bed. Like, can I just sleep with this on and just be like I woke up like this? You can leave it just like this or add some lashes, whatever you're more comfortable with. I feel like the lashes give you that makes everything like bomb AF. Alright, for highlight, I bought this new Ofra highlighter. This one right here, what's it called? Rodeo Drive. I got it off of, I think, Ipsy. They were having like this cash back. It was like for $32, and then if you buy it, you get like, I don't know how much back. So I got like $22 back. So it came out really cheap. So this is what it looks like. So let's see how it looks on my skin. It's brand new. Let's see. Holy shit. Ofra, bro. Ofra. Alrighty guys, this is it. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This is literally my go-to shit. Like, you know those days when you just don't know what to wear or like how to do your makeup? This is exactly what I go for. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you give me your thumbs up, subscribe, give me a comment. Let me know you're happy to see me back on the tube. If you are, if not, it's cool. I'm so excited to be back. I hope everyone has a wonderful, blessed day, and stay positive. And I hope this 2018 brings so many great blessings to your life. And yeah, take care. Much love. Peace. They need to add barb to the dictionary. I'm just saying. When you're burping fart at the same time.
You can't burp and fart. That's impossible.
I've never heard that before. I've never heard somebody fart and burp.
It must have to be a really gassy day. Well, y'all need to try it one day. Drink a whole bunch of Coke. And then when you're feeling like you have to fart a lot, try it.
But you don't have to like... Yeah.
I mean, you never know.
Has anyone coughed and farted before? I've never heard of that.
Yeah, I've done that.
Cough and fart?
Cough and fart, yeah.
That's it, what?
Yeah. What? You never done that?
No.
Am I weird?
I've never